everybody, this is Audrey, also known as Noble Strength, and welcome to my channel. And today I'm going to be sharing with you a bag that I recently purchased. It has been on my wish list for 2 years, and I'm so excited to share this with you because there may be someone out there who has also been looking at this bag and eyeing this bag. Well, I'm going to give you a thorough review. I'll also do a what fits in this bag, and I'm going to be as honest as possible. And I will also give you some styling options for this bag as well. So that sounds like something you are interested in, then continue to watch, like and subscribe, and please share this video with other people so we can get it circulating. So you already know by the title what bag it is that I got and what brand it is. So I'm not going to even prolong this anymore. I picked up the Gaia bag from Louis Vuitton. Well, I didn't purchase it from Louis Vuitton. I purchased it off Poshmark from a reputable seller, but it is the Gaia bag. It does have red accents. So here is the beautiful bag that I have been eyeing for so long. It is a hobo style bag, and you guys, I just fell in love with it. I guess because of the handle on it and just, you know, little design detailings, and of course that pop of red on the side. I really love. It does have 4 feet on the bottom, and it's just a really nice piece. But this handle, guys, it's just really gorgeous. I love the stitching on it, and it's so substantial and very heavy. So what I want to do is give you a close-up of this bag. So I'll be doing some cutaways so you can see this gorgeous bag. So it does have, like I say, some really great detailing along the handle. It does have that leather, so you do have to be careful, you know, with carrying it in the rain if you don't want water spots on it or anything like that. It does have some awesome detailing on the hardware. So it has substantial hardware on the inside, and that is branded with Louis Vuitton. All of the hardware is branded. It says Louis Vuitton, and even the feet are branded. The lock also has Louis Vuitton on it, and it is a working lock, guys. This lock does open up. It has keys in the clochette here, 2 sets of keys that open it up to a secret pocket on the inside of the bag, which I'll show you in the cutaway. The inside interior is this beautiful kind of like micro fiber material, micro suede. It's just really lush and pretty on the inside. And I want to talk a little bit about my purchasing. So like I said, I purchased on Poshmark, and I had been looking at multiple sellers for over a 2-year period. So this was not a fly by the night or impulsive buy, if you will. It was something that I really thought about, because a lot of times I have in the past impulsively bought something and then I end up selling it or giving it away, and that's money that I could have put towards something that I really liked. So I wanted to see if my love of the bag would wane, and it did not. I wanted this bag so bad, and I did try to make offers on this bag a couple of times in the past on Poshmark, but it just wasn't meant to be. Either the seller did not follow through with shipping the bag, or, you know, just things like that. So you do have to be leery and cautious about who you buy from. So I got a few tips, and then we'll go back into this beautiful bag here. So some tips on buying, if you're buying off Poshmark or in any like reselling app that is not like Fashion File or, you know, some other reputable, you know, platform. With Poshmark, you have a lot of individual sellers, so you have to be even more cautious. Look for those who have the ambassador seal, meaning they have been selling on that platform for a number of years and have a really good selling rating, meaning they ship on time. They have a lot of good feedback from their customers, positive feedback, so you want to look for that. I would avoid buying from someone who only has one post or someone who hasn't been very active. You can also check out how active a Poshmarker is, like if they've been active within the last hour, a day, or whatever. So if they're a reputable seller, they're going to be checking their closet to see if they've made any sales pretty frequently, so you'll see that they've been very active. So I would go with someone who's been active as opposed to inactive. And like I say, look for those who have a lot of, positive feedback in their notes and comments. Look for someone who's been selling for a number of years. So this seller was a reputable seller, and they are highly recommended on the Poshmark platform. So this was bought and purchased from the original owner. It was purchased in Korea. She gave me the original receipts for this bag. She's taking great care of it. It's in excellent condition to be 7 years old. So the Gaia bag came out in 2015. And like I say, it came out in multiple colors. So I'm showing you on the split screen the different colors that you could see on the side panel. So it came in black. It came in like a mustard color. Also, it came in red, of course, and then the kind of burgundy ostrich. So a lot of different styles to choose from. I want to talk about things to look for when it comes to, authentication of your bag, to, see if your bag is authentic. Well, first of all, Poshmark will authenticate your bag if it's anything over $500. This bag was over $500, but I did not pay what it was retail when it originally came out. I feel like I got an excellent deal on a bag that is very well taken care of. So it came out in 2015. And here is the patch that you can see, and you want to look closely at that patch. You want to look at the stitching. You want, like I'm doing in the cutaway, I'm showing you some examples of a authentic bag versus two fake bags. You'll notice the difference in variations of the printing in the leather. Also, the stitching is a little different and off. So the font will be different. On one of them, they completely left off made in France. In one of the fonts, the lettering looks a little bit more stretched out and elongated. So those are things that you really need to be aware of. Also, this bag does have a date code on the inside. Yes, so it's on the inside of one of the pockets, and it's kind of hard for me to show you, but it's on like the second pocket on the inside. So you will see a date code on the inside as well to verify that it's real. So the clochette is branded with Louis Vuitton, and like I say, all of the hardware is branded, and it's just a really excellent, exquisite bag. The one thing about this bag, it does not have any type of zip closure or anything like that, but it does have a tight fit once you put everything in. So let's go ahead and fill this bag up with some items that I carry on an everyday basis, and then we'll get into the styling options. So I hope you're still with me, and I hope you're enjoying the review of the Gaia bag by Louis Vuitton. So here are some things that I carry practically every day in any bag that I carry. I have my wallet, I have my carry-all Coach pouch, I have my little black round coin case, I have my Dooney & Bourke card case, I have my journal, my Kleenex, my pen, my lipstick, and my sunglasses. So these are the things that I'll be putting into the Gaia bag. As you can see, this bag holds quite a bit. I'm not sure how much the bag weighs on its own, but it feels pretty light without anything in it. The bag, when you have things in it, it does get a little bit weighty, but the handle is substantial, and the way that it's made, I don't think you'll have any problems with it digging into your shoulder. So really, really good bag. Also, I want to talk about styling this bag. So this is a beautiful bag, but you may be wondering, when it has that, bold red on the side, how would you style it? Well, here are a few styling options. So in the first look, which I call, just everyday casual wear, I'm wearing this with just a white t-shirt and some black Zara shorts, and I have on some sneakers. And I think this is a great look for just casually being out on the town, running errands, and being comfortable but stylish at the same time. So another look that I think is really great with the Gaia bag is another kind of casual option, but taken up a notch. So I'm wearing it with a red t-shirt. So you want to make sure you have those staple items in your closet. Once again, the same Zara shorts, which I did get from TJ Maxx, by the way, and they were $12.99, just so you know. But I'm wearing them with some red suede sandals, which I think is a perfect complement to the Gaia bag, and just another kind of casual look, like if you're going for a lunch date with the girls and you just want to look kind of cute, but you want to be comfortable as well. So in the next look, the final look, I've styled the Gaia bag for date night. So if you want to look sexy and hot and pulled together, then this is a styling option. So I've paired the same Zara shorts with an asymmetrical bodysuit from Boohoo that I thrifted. And yes, you can, look pulled together and nice on a thrifty type budget. And then the belt is the Layla belt from House of Hot. And then I have on just my Gianni beanie sandals. So really cute date night bag. And my bracelet that I've been wearing in all of the stylings is my Henry Bendel bracelet and just some gold hoop earrings. So that is the styling for the Gaia bag. And here's just a little bit of information that you may not have known. The Gaia bag, like I said, came out in 2015. The name Gaia is from Greek mythology. Gaia is a Greek god. And she's known as Mother Earth. I don't know a lot about Greek mythology. I'm just not into that. But I just thought it would be good to note in this video that that is what the name comes from. But really cool bag. I'm gonna enjoy carrying it. It originally retailed at I believe $2,900. I did not pay that for this bag, but I did splurge and I did make a charge. And I rarely ever make charges on my charge card, but I did charge this. But I set myself a plan to pay it off in a certain amount of time. So I'll pay it off in 6 months, and then it will be officially paid for and I will have it for years to come. So I do have another bag that I purchased, which is also a Louis Vuitton bag, but it has not arrived yet. It was also on my wish list, and I have Agnes to thank for that. Agnes has a wonderful channel. Make sure you check her out. I'll leave one of her videos in the link below. But yeah, she's the one that introduced me to the next bag that I'm going to be featuring on my channel, so be sure to look out for that video. Once again, my name is Audrey, also known as Noble Strength. Remember to be a good steward of all that God has given you, because he loves us so much. I love you too. And if it's sunny out where you are, like it is here in Georgia, get out there, get some exercise, go walking, get some fresh air. I know that's what I'm going to do. And let me know what you think about the Gaia bag. I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Bye.